Welcome guys to another storm chasing video, but today I'm doing Twist X. And right now, I'm using Titus. Cause Titus is a cool interceptor and cause they're dead. And cause it was kinda cool in the movie 2014. And we're gonna be intercepting this baby right here. Hey, keep going, keep going, keep going. What happened? Oh, log got in my way. Dang, I'm stupid. Stupid! Next road up here, I'm gonna intercept. Next road up there, I'm gonna intercept. And yes, it is a dirt road. And good thing this game doesn't have any traction in this game. So I can just glide across this like nothing. Deploy, 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 deploy. Wow. I just saw someone go flying. I'm actually surprised I didn't die from that tornado. Bet I could drive into it, guys. Bet I can drive into it. Bet I could drive into it and not die. Bet I could drive into this thing. Yep, I'm driving in it. I'm driving in it. I'm driving in it.